In 2020, we introduced our first ever American-made electric bike, the Juggernaut Ultra Eagle. Welded in the USA and built in Canada, this premium limited edition bike sold out within weeks to happy customers across North America. After years of work, we have finally brought it back. Introducing the all-new Juggernaut Eagle 2. High performance, American-made, and built to bring you the thrill of adventure. Each Eagle begins in western Wisconsin, where a small team of skilled craftsmen cut, shape, and weld raw aluminum to form its sporty frame. Then it comes up to Canada, where it's custom powder coated and built to order with high-end components by our in-house mechanics. With an origin story like that, the Juggernaut Eagle is as American-made as an electric bike gets. Let's take a closer look and see what else this thing is made of. The Eagle is available with two motor choices, the Bafang Ultra 1000 watt mid-drive or our very own 2300 watt XD dual drive system. The Bafang offers plenty of power and performance in a more cost-friendly package, while the XD delivers the pinnacle of performance and reliability. The 48-volt battery is available in 21 amp hour and 25 amp hour options for up to 55 miles of range. The Dorado-style battery looks great and is easy to remove for charging and storage. When it comes to the bike components, we spared no expense, featuring a Wren inverted suspension fork, Magura quad piston hydraulic brakes, and a SRAM NX 11-speed drivetrain. The bare aluminum frames are locally powder coated before assembly, so you can choose from thousands of custom color options for an e-bike that's truly unique. You can further customize the Eagle with your choice of wheel set. We offer a range of sizes from 3-inch mountain bike plus tires to 4.8-inch fat tires. Every Eagle includes our ultra bright Armageddon headlight. With 2,000 lumens, this light is much brighter compared to a standard e-bike headlight. The Armageddon light is also manufactured by us right here in Canada. The control pad and throttle allow you to control pedal assist levels and access instant power from the motor. The large and bright colored display gives you critical ride information like speed, range, battery level, pedal assist settings, and more. The Juggernaut Eagle is sure to be one of the most exciting electric bikes of 2023, but it's only available in limited quantities. If you'd like to support domestic manufacturing, this is the e-bike for you. Check out the link in the description below to learn more, and don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team if you have any questions.